Hi everyone, in this video we're going to draw Argomon from the Digimon reboot in his Mega level form. So, Argomon has been on the Digimon Wiki for quite a while. Never really made his debut back then in the anime, but now he finally got his chance to shine. Seeing this guy in action, definitely, that's completely one of my favorite ideas. One of the best Digimon I've seen. Okay, so let's get started. The first time they saw Argomon was those gigantic pods, and then he evolved into his transformation started growing slowly. That's kind of like how Argomon works. Anyways, Argomon finally made his debut in the reboot. He's this giant vine creature, and well, his ultimate level form is small, but when he digivolves into his mega form, he's unstoppable. I can't wait to see Argomon in battle again soon. Let's get started. So here's the vine's mane sticking out of his back. Now we just draw this. There we go. Now we just draw the light bulb on his eye here, on his chest. Alexa, what is a light bulb?
According to Wikipedia, an electric light is a device that produces visible light from electric power. It is the most common form of artificial lighting and is essential to modern society, providing interior lighting for buildings and exterior light for evening and nighttime activities. In technical usage, a replaceable component that produces light from electricity is called a lamp.
Alexa, what are vines?
According to Wikipedia, Vine was an American social networking short-form video hosting service where users could share 6-second-long, looping video clips. It was founded in June 2012. American microblogging website Twitter acquired it in October 2012, before its official release on January 24, 2013. Videos published on Vine's social network could also be shared on different social networking platforms such as Facebook and Twitter.
Now we just draw his fingers. Alexa, what is a vine?
The definition of the word vine is a plant with a weak stem that derives support from climbing, twining, or creeping along a surface.
understand, how many vines does one dragon have? If you ask me, I feel like that Argomon Mega level should be a grass and dragon type. A dragon and grass type.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day,
Here we go.
or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. That I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best friend. Yeah.
Go.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear.
Go.
And when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year, I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
Here we go. These are his fingernails.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
Okay, there's his legs here.
You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. That I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me.
go. And there he is. That's him, folks. That's how you draw Argomon. Mega level. Yep. Feels great to be honest. I drew him. Definitely one of my favorites. So, who's your favorite character from the reboot series? Leave a comment below, and I'll let you know what awesome character I'm gonna draw next based on your comments below. But anyways, I'll Stegosaurus. See you later. Oh wait, forgot to draw the stripes here. Stegosaurus. See you later.